Google Home App 101. Download Google Home App for PC. Google Home for PC is not a standalone app, but a feature that you can use through Google Chrome or an Android emulator on your Windows or Mac computer. It allows you to cast or stream audio and video from your computer to your Google Home devices, such as smart speakers, displays, and TVs. You can also control some settings and features of your Google Home devices, such as volume, playback, and alarms, through your computer. To use Google Home for PC, you need to have Google Chrome or an Android emulator installed on your computer, and your computer and Google Home devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You also need to sign into your Google account and link your Google Home devices to it. To cast or stream from Google Chrome, you can right-click on any web page or click the More icon, 3 vertical dots, and select Cast. Then, choose the Google Home device that you want to cast or stream to. You can also use the Google Cast extension to cast or stream from other apps or websites that support it. To cast or stream from an Android emulator, you can download and install an emulator program, such as BlueStacks or Nox Player, on your computer. Then, you can download and install the Google Home app from the Google Play Store on the emulator. Next, you can launch the Google Home app and follow the instructions to set up your Google Home devices and cast or stream to them. Now, check out, download Google Home app, Google Home. https://home.google.com/get-app